Hey, hello everyone. Today, let's talk about Java Stream API. This part of functional programming. Yeah, I very like functional programming now. Yeah, it's really amazing. Yeah. Okay, let's start. Of course, first question will be, what is Java Stream API? This is the definition. I don't think it's good enough. Uh, okay, simply say so stream API it's just various methods. Most methods are purely functional method. Then they do some filtering, mapping. Finally, they collect to a Java object like list, map, like that. So remember, the input side is usually a list, and the output side must be new things, because it's the stream API is immutable, so it always generates new thing. It's never change the original one. Okay. This those are three feature. Actually, I just mentioned already. Yeah. So stream is not a data structure. It's not list, not map, not set, not a tree, link list, not like that. It's just a couple of functional method applied to the stream. Yeah. So because we say stream, so it only takes collection, array, and IO channel as input. Then generate a new object. It's immutable. Okay. The stream have two type of operation. One is intermediate, one is terminal. Okay, you see the name. We can know. Intermediate means before we collect, before we take out the result from stream. Before that, all the operation we call intermediate operation. So intermediate operation also return stream. Yeah. So the input is stream, output also stream. That means you can keep apply intermediate operation. Then terminal, you can only apply once, because once you apply the terminal operation, it's come to Java structure object already. It's no more stream. Yes. Okay. When we use it, this is for major scenario. We use streaming API. Filter, simple, right? We want to filter out something from a list, from a collection. Mapper means you want to map a value to a new value. Then we use mapper. So we also can do the sort. Then after that, we find. We also can do the reduce aggregate. Yeah. This one will return one value. The whole list just return one. Okay. Later we have demo to let us have a better understanding. Okay, now we come to the intermediate operation. These three intermediate operation. Sorry. Okay, filter. I think I know, right? Like this. We only filter. We give a list, right? You see the example. We give a list string list. It's a string list. Then we only get those elements start with S. Yeah, this is a filter. Now this is a mapper. Mapper means you see we can map one value to its square value. Yeah, then output also a list. Okay, sort. So we can simply sort the collection. The sort it's accept the comparator interface. So we can put lambda to have specific sorting, customized sorting. Okay, but of course if you don't put anything, it will follow the nature order. Okay, terminal operation. So these three are usually we use a lot, which is terminal operation. Collect, definitely number one. Most of the time we use collect. Like we get water from a pipe, right? We need a cup to collect water, then drink. Yeah. So for each is special. For each, actually, it's no return. You see, this for each just do some action. It's very similar when we use for. Yeah. So this one is health set in fact because it's action only. Yeah. Reduce. Well, this is very important. Yeah. Okay. As let's simple example. This one. We want to summarize those value which even number, which is even number. No, this is yes, it's filtered. Then we filter the even number, then we summarize them. This will only return one value because it's reduced. Yeah, reduce. It's quite cool function. Later I show you how it should really work. Now demo time. Okay, let's do demo now. Okay, I prepare some question here. When we solve those questions, we'll leverage the stream API. Okay. Okay, let's see first question. Okay. First question is get a number list which greater than 3. Sorry, I typo. 3. Okay. We have a list. So we have the answer. Okay, we just to do now. We can put this the list have dot string function. Then this return will be string. Then we use filter. Okay. Predicate actually it's a function interface which return a blue value. So we can use lambda. Okay. Actually, all the string API we can use lambda. Yeah, lambda expression. Let's say x greater than 3. Then after filter, we need to collect. Yes. Okay, then we just put this one to here. Let's run this by right. This should be passed, right? Because after filter, so only 2 lah. Okay, let's run this. Okay, it's passed and the print out. Okay, the print is here. We have a consumer, which is just print function. This consumer also function interface. We will have a detailed lesson to talk about the function interface. Okay, this one pass, just use a filter. Okay, let's go to the next. So generate a list based on a given list and get the cube value of the original number. Cube value based on given list, generate cube value. Okay, we can leverage this one. Actually, this question based on this result. Okay, so we can do this. We just copy in. Okay, we'll filter. Yes, we still do the filter. Actually, this question is really on this one. Yeah. Then we cannot immediately collect. Collect is a terminal operation. Okay. Cannot do. We'll in between. We'll add new function which is map. Okay. We'll get cube value. What should we do? We just give a lambda as a conversion method. Okay, we need to use mass port. Oh, this is double value. It's okay. It didn't say the return must be integer, right? So we just give x3. Okay, this return actually will come to a double value. You see, this one after port, yeah, it's written double. So, this one need to remove. Okay. Now I run and map. Okay. Correct. Yeah. 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. Yeah, 6 multiplies 36. Okay, correct. Okay, next one. Short. Okay, short, quite simple. Okay, you see, this question is short about result in reverse wave order. So we copy this one as about result. Okay. The reverse. Before collect, we call the sort. Sorted. Sorted. This is reverse. Remember. So need to use. They have default comparator. How to spell? Comparator, right? Comparator. Yes, comparator. Dot. Yeah, you see, we have reverse border. We also have nature border. Of course, we can input lambda as well. This you see, this parameter actually is a comparator parameter. When we put something, comparator. Actually, here is a comparator. You see, it's a normal comparator, so we can write our own one. But because we have default one, we just use default. Okay. Now, okay, this reverse, right? Reverse done. So then previously the first one is 125. Now it's come to the last one. Okay, we just run this. Okay, correct. Yeah, we just use sort after filter map then short. because all intermediate operation we can keep append what we want, what we need. Okay, next question. Filter out duplicate value from above result. Wow, this one is also filter, but it's filter duplicate. Okay, so we cannot just simple use filter operation, because when we use filter option, you cannot compare its duplicate or not. So the best way is using map, because map in the hash map or in the map, the key is unique, so it's automated override old key. Okay, then what we will do is we need to map the result to a hash map. That means now the collection change. The collection change normal. The character change normal to list. So this one will come to a map. Okay. This one will come to a map. Map. Okay, this one will change. It's not double. It's not list. It's a map. Then we want to use a string. Value is we keep the value. Okay. This result. Okay, to map means you see the to map the parameter. This one most useful is this one. Sorry, we make it better to understand. So to map this one is the basic one. There are two functions as parameter. Okay. Actually, this one is a key generate function. The second is value generate function. I mean how we generate the key. This one is how we generate the value. Okay. But most of the time we need this one. You see this one they have a third one. Okay, key mapper, value mapper, the third one merge function. So why we have merge function? Because when we generate a key, sometimes the key will be conflict, means duplicate. So in that case, when the situation happen, how you handle the situation. So that's why we have a merge function. Yeah, we use this more safe. But for our this question, actually the basic one is enough. But I still think we should use this one to give us a better understanding. Okay, so they need a 3 parameter. Firstly, 3 lambda because 3 parameter all function interface. So the first lambda is how to generate a key. For us, the key doesn't matter because we only need a value. As long as it can, we can simply put this value as key. Yeah, but it's how to say, it's double. Most of the time we don't use double as key. Okay, so then how to do? We will like this. We use key. We just give a keyword. Then we add this maybe use method more professional. Actually, Shane. Excuse me. Okay, we contact this value. Okay. Oh, because this is double, we need to convert this to a string. Okay, this is first. Okay, this is first parameter. Then second also lambda. So we put value, just value, no change. Okay. Then third one is the merge function. So when x1, x2 have same key, what you want, which key you want, then we choose the latest one. Okay, now we got the map. The key is the number. Okay, this number, the number plus this is the number, right? This is the result we just did in this part. Okay, the value, the tree, the value to the cube, after cube. So the key will be this string contain the cube value, like that. So the result, no tree, because the key, you see the key will be duplicated. So will be override the following same key will override the previous one. Okay. Now this result size come to 2, but this result is hash map. We better got we can we just use hash map. But they just need a value not in the key. It's okay. We can do this. We can give a set. Okay, set double. This one result map. So result. Dot there. Dot values. Okay. Yeah. This map the values. Oh, the result is collection. Sorry. Okay. Collection does not have parameter. Yeah. Yes, this return collection, right? So this return double. What's wrong? Oh, this don't have type parameter. Okay. Okay, go on. Yes, collection definitely have type. Like it's generate collection. Okay. We go up. So then we run this short. I think run. Yes, it's passed. Okay. Then next one. Next one is the final one, which is reduce. Okay. Reduce. The question is summarize the list to get the total number. Okay. We use reduce to that. This one is not related to the previous result. String dot reduce. Okay. The first, okay, later I tell you why we put a 0 as first parameter. Then x, y, then x plus y. Then collect, okay, sorry. Collect, reduce dot. Dot. Yeah, this is final. Sorry, this is terminal operation. So cannot this return just return value already. Cannot apply any further operation. Okay, you see reduce this return value. Okay, just return value. Put it here. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, the summary value will this one. Should be correct, right? See, 300, 513. Okay, correct. That's right. Okay. It's fine, right? Then you want to know why I put a 0 here, right? Let me show you how this reduce work. Okay, we can put this one as a multiple line lambda. So we can print out this x. Okay, we print out the identity. Oh, maybe I put identity with identity. Okay, let's see if identity change. Print identity. Okay, x, y. Then we return x plus y. Okay, now let's run again. Okay, you see, now we can know what happened now. This function is doing the reduce. How to reduce? After they run this function x plus y. So x first time actually is this value, this identity value, put as 0. Then, oh, sorry, this one. Okay, run again. Okay, you see, the first time x and y take the 0 and the 1. 0 come from this identity, 1 come from this list, the first element. Then after calculate x plus y, the value will put back to the first parameter. So the y will take the next one. Then after this calculate done, put the result back to the first parameter again. Then take the next one. Okay, same thing until all the elements take off. Then return one value. So that is how it works. How reduce work. Okay. Thank you so much. That's all. Yeah. If you want to get the this source code, you can go to my GitHub. Yes. So the GitHub link, I paste the GitHub link here. This is the GitHub link. Okay. Put here. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you next time. Bye.